Aruna. I'm 43-year-old. I stay in Mumbai. I had a lot of issues with my health over the past 5 years, which was lifestyle related issues. So I encountered with sugar issue, I encountered with thyroid issue, then I got to know that my cholesterol levels are pretty high. I went on to cure myself with the allopathic medicines, but then I realized it was like very short-term solution that I was looking out. What happened to me is then I had this water retention issue and my body was bloating up, and this bloating was not going at all with whatever I was doing. I did a lot of diet, I did a lot of medications, I did a lot of exercise, yoga to bring my water retention issue down, but nothing helped me. It still persisted, and it used to give me a lot of pain in my feet, especially my feet. So it used to look like really like elephant feet, and I was very embarrassed to wear any short skirts or anything shorts because my feet were very swollen up. And somehow the destiny brings you across a solution and you're really desperately looking for it. My brother was doing research on YouTube in terms of what is the natural remedy that is available. He was doing more research for my mother, and we came across Dr. Naram and we saw a lot of his videos, and it was very inspiring. And then the hunt started in terms of knowing how to contact Dr. Naram. So one day then I decided, okay fine, let me not my mother, but let me cure myself and let me find Dr. Naram's contact information. And I went to the website, to YouTube and everything where the information was uploaded, and I got in touch the number that was provided. So on WhatsApp immediately the second day itself I got a notification that you can come and meet the doctor who will assist you, who is the assistant to Dr. Naram, who will assist you in terms of the primary medication that can start. I said okay fine, no problem. If not Dr. Naram directly, but I can definitely meet their assistant to at least to discuss my issue, because my issues were really very bad. In the month of February, when I did my blood test, my routine checkup, the more depressing part was whatever insurance that I had got enrolled into got rejected because my health profile was not really very good. My HbA1c level was 11.9. My weight was another issue. My water retention was another issue, and I was feeling totally demotivated with all those things that was happening. So I came and I met Dr. Sahaj. He did a couple of tests with me, and he saw my reports, and then he advised me some of the medications. He put me on a diet which was a gluten-free diet totally, and first he said let's detox yourself and then let's see how the results are coming across. So I followed the diet. I cheated a bit in terms of I have cravings for sweets, so I could not resist that, but I cheated a bit. But yes, I was totally on a gluten-free diet. I went on total moong diet, and I enjoyed that thoroughly because I went on research, did a research what all you can do with the moong. Like you can do moong soup, you can moong dal, you can do moong sprout, you can do moong dosa, and that became my diet for the entire 1 month. I went on from chapati-free diet to the complete moong diet, neer dosas, vegetables. I went to completely from non-vegetarian to vegetarian, and that's the routine I followed, and I really liked that routine when I was doing it. The medicine that was given to me, it helped me a lot in terms of my body became very light. The bloating effect which was there, it went down subsequently. I felt more lighter and more energetic in a day's time to come. Along with the medication, he also gave some drinks that naturally you can make in your home, you can have it. Honestly, I cheated on that also. I didn't do it, but I completely followed his medication that was given to me. I did not budge on the timing that was told to me to have the medications. I did not budge on the food that I was told to have. But yes, he was very flexible that if I was traveling, because my job involved a lot of traveling, so he said whenever you're traveling, you eat whatever you want to eat, what is available the best. But yes, in my supervision, my conscious belief, I went on to eat what is that I can eat which is gluten free. So I had dal rice, dal khichdi, sambar rice, which was available in wherever you travel. And if nothing but bread and omelette, that was fine. Fruits, he told me to skip some of the fruits, which I was like okay, because that's fine. Mangoes, I love to have mangoes, and he was completely relaxed that yes, you can definitely have. And I did enjoy my mangoes in this season a lot. So in this month I again did my checkup, and my HbA1c, to my surprise, in spite of having so much of gulab jamun a week before, it has come to 6.9. this drastic improvement. I was shocked myself that how come my HbA1c has improved, because in the past 4 years never my HbA1c has been lesser than 7. It was shooting up. But this time I'm really very surprised to see it's 6.9. My thyroid is under control, my water retention is down. You can see the bloating effect which is there in my body has come down. I'm feeling much more lighter. I was fitting in 30 plus jeans, but yesterday when I bought 28 size jeans, and I was really shocked to know that I'm gone into that size. And this I've started remedy from the month of February. You can see the result in 4 months time. The results are tremendously effective, and I'm totally motivated, and I'm looking forward that yes, I come back to my normal life which was there 10 years back, and lead a healthy and energetic life. Yes, right now I have a challenge that I have to do away with the allopathic medicines and be more on a stricter diet, which will be like a self-control thing. But yes, it's a challenge, and I think I'm up for it, and I'm looking forward for it. Thank you so much.